Good morning. My name is Paresh Kotodekar. I am from Ratnagiri, but since last 3 years I am living in Pune. I have completed my BE Mechanical from Rajendra Mane College of Engineering and Technology Ratnagiri. Then I decided to start my career in mechanical field. So I joined HVAC Technology in 2019 as a planning engineer, which is HVAC based company. But due to COVID pandemic, I lost my job. Then I decided to start my career towards IT field. I have interest in networking field, but after a couple of days I saw an Evision technology post on Naukri.com. So I joined Evision classes. There I learned real-time practical orient-based experience. In that I learned various types of modules like Windows administration, CCNA routing and switching, virtualization, cloud computing, cyber security, ITIL concepts. In Windows administration, uh, I learned how to create administration and user accounts, how to create workgroup and domain, installation of operating systems and servers, the roles and features of ADDS, what is Active Directory, creation of PDC and ADC, also the concepts of Windows deployment services. After that, in CCNA module, I learned basics of networking like networking devices, medias, concepts of OSI model, along with the concepts of subnetting, IP addressing, DNS and DHCP concepts. Also, in practical orient-based networking configuration like routing information protocol, OSPF, EIGRP, HSRP, access control list, spanning tree protocol, VTP, VLAN configurations, and also the troubleshooting of networking. Uh, in cybersecurity module, I learned the concepts of firewall and its types, how it works, concept of BitLocker, how to enable it, and also the importance of cybersecurity. In cloud computing module, I learned the concepts of cloud computing, service providers of clouds, also the cloud delivery models like software as a service, platform as a service, and infrastructure as a service. Also, I gained the knowledge about real-time facing issues like system hanging problems, errors like BSOD, black screen errors, blue screen errors, and troubleshooting for that. Apart from that, I learned some personality development and soft skills. So, personally, I would like to say thank you to entire Evision team for giving me knowledge, and I think now I am able to face the upcoming interviews. Now, coming to my hobbies, I like to play carom, trekking, and cooking. My strengths are uh, I am a quick learner, I have problem solving ability, I have good leadership qualities, and I prefer smart work than hard work. So, thank you again for giving me an opportunity to introduce myself. Thank you.